LevelUp IAS is the only place where current affairs is prepared by the teacher themselves. In this program, each and every study material that you will get will be prepared by me, will be typed by me. Most of the magazines that you get is compiled by students or senior aspirants. Teachers don't work on it. Now, what is the problem that occurs because of that? Most of the time, a lot of irrelevant things are included. See, I've been teaching since last 8 years. I understand what is needed for the examination, what is not needed for the examination. And therefore, the notes you'll have will be very much to the point as per the requirement of the examination. I understand what is the depth required for preparation, which these monthly magazines, these compilations would not have, because most of them have been prepared by students only. This is the most important reason which I'll give you for saying that Target Prelims Current Affairs program will be the best thing that you will join for your preliminary examination.